Are you nervous about speaking for 2 minutes in your IELTS Speaking Part 2? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I will share 3 proven steps to help you speak fluently and confidently so you can impress the examiner. Hello, I'm Priyanka and welcome back to the IELTS Maven. In IELTS Speaking Part 2, you are asked to speak on a given topic for 1 to 2 minutes. This can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can turn it into an opportunity to shine. In this video, I will break down how to use the 1 minute preparation time, organize your thoughts, and deliver a fluent and natural response. The first step is to fully understand the prompt. In part 2, the examiner will give you a card with a question. You will also have 1 minute to prepare. Don't rush into speaking. Use this time wisely to break down the prompt into smaller parts. Describe a memorable trip you have taken. On the card, you will see guiding questions like where did you go, what did you do, why was it memorable. Highlight these questions in your mind as they will give you a clear path to follow during your speech. Step 2. Structure your prompt. Now that you understand the prompt, it's time to structure your response. Think of your speech as having a simple structure just like telling a story. First, introduce the topic. I did like to talk about my trip to Paris last summer. Then dive into the main point, where you went, what you did, and why it was memorable. Finally, give a brief conclusion. This trip will always hold a special place in my heart because it was my first solo adventure. Keep it simple, but remember to cover each part of the prompt. Use translation like first of all, secondly, and finally to keep your speech organized and easy to follow. These small signals make your speech more coherent and professional. Finally, the most important step. Practice speaking naturally. Don't try to memorize and answer word for word. Instead, practice talking about different topics like travel, food, or hobbies. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes. Pay attention to your tone, clarity, and fluency. The more you practice, the more confident you will sound. You will also notice fewer pause and more natural flow. And remember, the examiner aren't looking for perfection. They are looking for fluency and confidence. Here is a pro tip. Don't worry if you don't cover everything in the prompt. It's okay to slightly drift off topic as long as your speech is fluent and making sense. To recap, remember to understand the prompt. Second, structure your response with clear translation. And third, practice speaking naturally. With these 3 steps, you will be well on your way to speaking confidently in IELTS Speaking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more IELTS tips and strategies. Also, drop a comment below with any IELTS question, and I will be happy to help you.